Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make Squid Game animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So first step, go to Photoshop and select this image. So let's save and go to After Effects. Let's go to project and right mouse, import file. Select this Photoshop file, Squid Game, and go to select import as composition rectangular size. Click import. Again click OK. Then open this composition. And let's make animation. First step, right mouse, new and new camera. Click OK. Click again OK. Then select these all layers. Click this icon for 3D layer. Okay, then go to active camera, change top and select this background. Let's press P and move to back. This is our background layer. Then select this character 3, press P, move to back. Let's go to here, change 2 views. Okay, let's change 4 views. Nice. This is character 3, left character. Let's move to back. Okay, and this character left. Let's change views 1 and select this character 3. Move to here and character 2, press P. Move to back. And character 1, press P, move to back. Then change view, active camera, and change fit up to 100. And let's select these layers, close settings, select this background, press S, change scale. Okay. And move to down. Let's change scale like this. Nice. Then select these characters, character 2 and 3. Parent to this, character 1. Select this character 1, press S, change scale. Okay, and select this character 2, press S, change scale. Move to left. Okay. And character 3, move to right, press S, change scale. Let's move to here. Okay, and move to left. Let's change scale. Okay. So go to again active camera, change top. Let's see layers, character 2. Okay, and character 1. So let's select this character 3, press P, move to here, and character 2, press P, move to like this, and this, press P, move to here. Let's change parent to none, go to active camera, change fit up. Okay, nice. So in this time, select camera, right mouse, let's create null object for camera and press P. Let's see. Nice. Okay, not bad. Press R, open rotation. Let's see. Nice. So select this camera, press P. Let's move to here and move to up and make new position keyframe. Go to 6 second, press N for select work area, and let's zoom camera and up. And in this time, select this background, press P, go to first second, make new position keyframe, go to last keyframe, and move to up. Let's see. Okay, let's select first keyframe background, move to up. So not bad. Okay, in this time, select this camera, let's press R, make rotation keyframes, go to here and change camera like this. Okay, and let's try the rotation. So not bad. And we can change camera zoom like this and up, and change rotation. Let's see. Okay, good. So select this camera, let's close keyframe settings, again open camera settings and open camera options. Let's change quality quarter and let's click on for depth field, change aperture 100. Let's see. Okay, and change quality full, go to first second, make new focus distance and go to here, last keyframe, change focus. Like this, and let's change aperture 300 and blur level 200 and change again focus distance like this. Okay, not bad. Let's change blur 500 or 600. Okay, not bad. Let's see. Okay, and in this time change focus distance like this. Okay, very nice. Let's again. So very nice. I like it. Okay, finally go to After Effects, search effect glow. Select this glow used for this background and change radius, this glow radius like this, and glow change 100, and in this time in 1 second make glow keyframe, go to last keyframe, change like this. Okay, let's see. Press U for see keyframes. We have 2 keyframes for glow. Let's see again. Okay, not bad. So, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.